Looks like this is the last little house downtown. All these big buildings around here. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be going away. I don't see anybody living there. You can't tell if somebody is or isn't, but the rest of this place is all closed down for 2 blocks. There's some sort of a power plant thing right here that I've never noticed before. And we got this besides that. So with all the other construction that's going on downtown, I don't think this little guy is gonna make it out of here alive. This parking lot is all fenced off too, and oh look, a crack needle. That's downtown San Diego here. Let's check out the other side. Oh, what's this? Hey, y'all can read that something, construction activities are scheduled August 22 to August 23. It's going to be a year of see whatever happens over here. Let's check out this house. The last little downtown house. Oh, there's a little doggy here. Oh, there's 2 doggies here. Alright, cool. Maybe someone lives here. That's cool. Sweet little house. I hope it makes it in this world of big ass buildings everywhere. There's actually 3 residences here. And 3 mailboxes anyway. Cool, good for them. If anything starts happening to this little house, I'll let you know. Until now. Bye bye, doggies. Oh God, here they come.